if you remember, today we are going to discuss exercise 1.3, and the first question is find the product. So the first question which I am giving you is, this is just related to NCERT book only. So it is -3 into -6 into -2 into -1, and I'm including some more number into it, that is 10, and then I'm giving you -100 also. So here, if you see this question, I have given you multiple numbers over here. Okay, multiple number over here. Now, please note it down. Always remember, when you have any question related to multiplication, you have either two numbers or you have multiple numbers like 10 or 15 or 20 or 12 or 3 or only 6. Always make multiplication or always do multiplication in pairs. Okay, multiplication should always be done in the form of pairs. So just make the pair of numbers. Suppose कोई number अकेला रह जाता है, and if you are not able to make the pair, leave that number in the last only. Okay, and at the last you multiply that particular number. So if you see this question, minus n minus, सबसे पहले first we multiply sign. First we multiply sign, and then we multiplied one by one all the things. So remember, this minus and minus will get multiplied, and it will give you plus, and 3 6 will give you 18. Okay, 3 6 18 will come here. Now move on to the next pair. This minus and minus will give you here plus, and 2 and 1 multiply, it will give you only 2. Okay, then the last, it will be 10 and 100, which give you minus. Now then here minus 1000, which was negative number, so I have written it in the bracket. Now let's see to the next process. 18 2s are 36, multiply by minus 1000. So I have written here minus 1000. Now move on to the last step, that is 36 will get multiplied by 1000, which will give you 36,000 only, and the plus and minus will get multiplied, which will give you the answer in minus. That this question I have given you not for solving as a pair, but you have to observe also the question while doing multiplication. You have to always see that whether the number can be rearranged or not. Now if you see, multiplication is always done by making pairs. Now if you will make the pair in such a way which will give you the answer in a simplest way, that will be more easy for you. For example, if you make the pair of 45 with 2, it will be more easy. Then 25 with minus 4, it will be more easy. And at the last, you don't have pair for 10, because we have total 5 numbers over here. So I have made the pair with 45 with 2, 25 with 4, and 10 is alone. Now in the last, if you remember, it will give you 45 2s are 90 directly, plus minus minus, that will give you minus 90. Then multiply by 25 4s are 100, which will give you direct minus 100. And at the last, you have 10 over here. ठीक है, अब आप चाहो तो डायरेक्टली इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो in the form of pair again. Minus minus will get multiply, and it will give you direct 9000. Multiply by 10 over here. ठीक है, and at the last, the answer would be 40 with 9.
तुम्हारी writing
Yes, 90,000. Now always remember one thing. Suppose I change this question. Okay, I change this question, and in between of 1 minus 1, I put over here 0. Okay, if I change this question which is written above here, instead of 1 or minus 1, I have written over here 0. Beta, remember one thing, no need to solve that question. in all the steps.
And
Why?
answer will be
Because
zero.
this question is in, yes, in between this is 0 over here. So if once it is written 0, so why to multiply and waste the time? Because when you multiply 0 with any number, you will get the answer 0 only. So why to solve it for longer process? Answer will be directly 0. Don't solve it further. Just write down the answer 0, because 0 has a property that if you have how much the larger number is, how much the smaller number is, it is either it is negative, either it is positive. When you make it multiplied with 0, the answer will remain 0 only. So that gives you answer 0. Now let me explain it to you why this property is distributed. Remember, if you remember, I have taught you Changu, Mangu, Samosa, Chutney. Now look at here. This is Samosa, this is Chutney, and this is Changu and Mangu. And you can see this one side, Samosa Chutney to Changu plus Samosa Chutney to Mangu. See this? This is distributive property over here. This is not associative. This is not commutative. This is only distributive property. So you have to, you are knowing that distributive property is always true. And आपको यही काम करना है इसमें. You have to verify only. Now let us see. First we will solve left hand side and then we will solve right hand side. आप ये भी कर सकते हो कि you can do it along both the things. ठीक है? So I am doing it both the things together, so that my space will also be left and I will be also doing the question properly. Now look at here. You know that this is minus 21. Let it be like that. The sign of multiply, let it be like that. Now if you know minus 4 plus minus 6. Now I am asking from you. Please reply in the chat box. Minus 4 minus 6. What will give it to you? Minus 4 plus minus 6. Very good. Correct. It will give you minus 10. I have written over here, it is minus 10. Now, can you tell me if I will multiply minus 21 with minus 10, can you tell me what answer I will get it? Minus 21 multiply by minus 10, what answer will I get it? Minus 210 or plus 210? Write it down in the chat box. Okay, very good. Answer will be plus 210. Now I have solved one side. एक side इसका solve हो चुका है. Now I am moving to the next position. It means this side. ठीक है? Now let us try. I have put the comma because I have to verify. So I will not put the sign of equal. In the last, I will see that whether they are coming equal or not. Chalo. Now look at here. Minus and minus will come together, which will give you here plus, and 21 multiply by 4. Can you type in the chat box what will come when you multiply 21 with 4? Absolutely correct. It will give you 84 minus minus plus, and 21 forza will come as 84. Avi Gupta, how 100 you have got it, beta?
Mama, I think that is called that number 25.
Okay. Now this is the sign of plus. I have written over here plus. Now tell me the last step. Minus 21 multiply by minus 6. Which number you will get it after multiplication? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 126 and minus minus will come together, which will give you plus only. So it will give you 84 and this will give you 126. And when you will add these two, you will get it 210 only. Now see this. It was 210. This is 210. Both are coming equal. So you will write it down. LHS is equals to RHS. And the question is verified. Remember, whenever the question comes to verify करने का मतलब होता है that you have to check that it was written equal. Equal means left hand side is coming equal to right hand side or not. So we have seen that we had two steps. एक तरफ पर left था, एक तरफ पे पूरा चीज right पे लिखा था. So I have solved left hand side first, then I have solved right hand side first. And then we have seen दैट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो वैल्यू आ रही है सेम वही राइट हैंड साइड में भी वैल्यू आ रही थी. So that is why I have written it here verified. Why verified? Because it was coming equal. And suppose if it will not come equal, I will put the sign not equal to and I will write it down not verified. ठीक है. तो जब भी क्वेश्चन आता है बेटा वेरीफाई करने के लिए यू हैव टू सॉल्व लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑल्सो, राइट हैंड साइड ऑल्सो, एंड यू हैव टू चेक दैट वेदर both are coming equal or not. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. In equation chapter, if you remember, I taught you this. Now question number 3 is telling here that you have to tell, question number 3 is telling here that for any integer what is minus 1 multiplied by a. Now always remember one thing beta, minus 1 is a number which is making every number into its different sign. If minus 1 is multiplied by any positive integer, it is positive, no? So minus 1 is multiplied by any positive integer, remember it will make it negative. And if minus 1 is multiplied with any negative integer, it will make it positive, remember. ठीक है, इट वॉज पॉजिटिव तो इसने -1 से ने मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको नेगेटिव बना दिया, बट इट वॉज नेगेटिव तो माइनस ने इससे मिल करके इसको पॉजिटिव बना दिया, रिमेंबर दिस पार्ट. ठीक है, तो -1 इज अ नंबर इन सच अ वे if it multiplied with any negative integer it will make it positive, and if it was multiplied with any positive integer it will make it negative. ठीक है, so remember this is the question. Now question number 3 yes, I am telling you I am telling you the examples. No, look at here. So there are question number 3 के second question में if you will find there are many questions which is written over here, and if you will solve this question it is asking कि किस number से multiply किया गया है उस number को which is written over here. I am telling, I will explain this question and then I will end the class. Now look at here. First one is -22, second one is 37, then it is 0. Now the question is asking कि इसको किस नंबर से -22 मिला है. You have to tell me. It means क्वेश्चन को ऑपोजिट बढ़ना है आपको. It is asking -1 से किसका मल्टीप्लाई किया होगा, then you are getting this. चलो fill in the blanks. This is only fill in the blanks like question. Tell me, -1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया होगा तो -22 आएगा. Tell me.
-22.
-22.
Plus 22.
Plus 22.
Positive 22. Because answer I am getting in negative. So it means it was positive. Now tell me, 37.
Minus
-37.
-37. Very good. -37. Now 0.
0.
0 only. Okay. I'm including some more number into it. Tell me how it will come.
No, 15.
Tell me answer in
15.
answer in the chat box.
Positive.
Yes, very good. Now remember it is -15. So if it is -15, surely it was multiplied with only 15. Okay, and remember it is +7. So surely it was multiplied with -7. Then only that +7 has come. So now this question is also completed. Question number 3 तक हमने कर लिया है. ठीक है. Now we will discuss. I will give you homework. Please try this questions. Exercise 1.3 जितना भी आप कर सकते हो. And if you will be asking the questions from me tomorrow, I will definitely explain you the next